Let's have a look at this beauty. Golf GTI 2014 Cat S, right? So what I noticed on this leg here is, obviously you see everything is broken. There's a gap, X-frame is sticking out. This leg here, there's a heating mark, so they've been trying to straighten something out. And on a lower leg section, I've seen the accident damage pictures, they've been pulling it out, but if they want to pull it out, it will snap off, so it will need sectioning a leg. So it's been, even the crash wasn't significant, right? It's just repairs are right? Wings fitted with loads of fillers, you know, both doors resprayed, both doors sticking out near the B pillars. Damage on a seal, right? That's, we'll not worry about that. Then it's a Remax stage 1. So we got straight pipe, there's no cat imitation, so it's an MOT failure. Even vehicle is arranged for £6,000. Price, let's say, is 12.5 for this age. So for everyone who looks on a Cat S vehicles, just stay away, you know. These lights not working, AC is not working. What else is working? Parking sensors are working. We'll get this in a bit. Just please, you know, just avoid it, you know. You're just gonna buy a bag of shit, you know, and then you're gonna do subframe broken in a few places, but it's not affecting integrity. But this is what you're gonna get. Obviously it has upgraded brakes as well, and what are you gonna do? Sport alloys, with upgraded brakes, stage 1 with the car, you know. Hope it helps somebody to make a decision not to buy one. Cat N, maybe you can consider it. And also comes with a damaged windscreen.